Greetings everyone, Simon here, and it's my honor to be presenting to you this drone business idea. Drone Subs, it's a business idea name, and its aim is at reducing project construction costs. So to start with, I want to highlight the impact of technology on industries like the mining industry and the cement production industry. Back then, when building stones were being chopped by hand, it would take a lot of time, and building stones were very costly. Now that the mining industry and the quarry have employed technology like the risers, building stones take less time to produce, and the prices have gone down substantially. The same case applies to the cement production industry. However, there are some industries which are lagging behind, and the survey industry is one of them. Surveyors are still using the traditional methods to conduct their surveying. So my point is that when I integrate this new technology of the drones, the softwares now that we have to conduct survey more effectively and at a lower cost, and even it shall take less time. So moving on, I want to mention that Kenya has the Big Four agenda. It also has the Vision 2030. It's a vision which is attracting a lot of big and sophisticated projects which require modernized solutions. For instance, if we take a project like drone construction and we employ the traditional surveying methods, it shall be time taking, it shall be very costly. And like when we use a drone, it shall take less time and very affordable. The same case shall be applying to projects like the road construction and the housing. We shall have roads and they shall improve on trade. Housing shall be more affordable to construct a house. The roads shall help to improve on trade. So it's a mutually beneficial idea to the citizens and also to the investors. So moving on, I want to mention that I've seen some industries which have already embraced a drone in their service. The likes of Orbito Africa here in Kenya, they have embraced drone in their survey works. But now some challenges they are facing is the skilled personnel to fly these drones. So I'm hoping that with your industry-specific drone training on mapping and surveying, this is something that you can empower. For myself, instance, it's something that I can be empowered with, and I can be able to offer such a service. It shall be useful to the citizens. So this is the way forward. This is the way forward. The drones, it's the way forward. And as I conclude, I want to request you that let's do this. Yes, let's do this. Thank you. Let's do this, yeah.